Hello, everyone. Are you looking for the best cordless trimmer blower combo kit? You've come to the right place. In this video, we've compiled the top 5 cordless trimmer blower combo kits just for you. Stick around until the end for a special surprise. Now let's dive in. GREENWORKS STB-A40B210 Cordless Trimmer Blower Combo Kit. Leading our list is the GREENWORKS STB-A40B210 Cordless Trimmer Blower Combo Kit, providing an efficient and eco-friendly solution for all your yard maintenance tasks. The 12-inch string trimmer easily handles tough grass with a 12-inch cutting path and auto-feed head, while the blower delivers 390 cubic feet per minute airflow and 110 miles per hour airspeed. A variable speed trigger with cruise control enhances usability. Lightweight with a push-button start, this combo is hassle-free and requires minimal maintenance. The included 2.0 Ah battery provides up to 45 minutes of runtime, making it a practical choice for maintaining neat outdoor spaces. EcoPower Plus ST1502LB Cordless Trimmer Blower Combo Kit. The EcoPower Plus ST1502LB Cordless Trimmer Blower Combo Kit elevates yard care with advanced features. The 15-inch string trimmer offers rapid reload, an extended aluminum shaft, and a weather-resistant design for precise trimming. The 530 cubic feet per minute blower, powered by a turbine fan and turbo boost, clears debris efficiently. Both tools are lightweight, quiet, and built to endure various weather conditions. The 2.5 Ah battery and charger ensure reliable operation, while variable speed control and turbo buttons add versatility. This combo kit is ideal for anyone seeking efficient, high-performing lawn care tools. MILWAUKEE 300021 Cordless Trimmer Blower Combo Kit. The MILWAUKEE 300021 Cordless Trimmer Blower Combo Kit delivers exceptional performance for demanding yard tasks. The M18 fuel string trimmer, part of the quick lock attachment system, achieves full throttle in under 1 second with up to 6,200 revolutions per minute and a 16-inch cutting swath. The M18 fuel blower generates 450 cubic feet per minute airflow and 120 miles per hour airspeed, with variable speed control for precision. A 5.0 Ah battery and charger provide extended runtime, while compatibility with over 200 M18 tools adds versatility. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this kit combines power, efficiency, and convenience. WORX WG927 Cordless Trimmer Blower Combo Kit. The WORX WG927 40-volt cordless trimmer blower combo kit provides a powerful and efficient solution for yard maintenance. Powered by two 20-volt batteries, it delivers a combined 40 volt of performance. The 13-inch string trimmer offers a command feed spool system, variable speed control, and a pivoting cutting head for versatile trimming. The turbine leaf blower, with turbo boost and 3 speeds, generates 430 CFM of air power. Weighing just 7.3 pounds with both batteries, this lightweight kit ensures user comfort and convenience. With intelligent batteries and expandable power, WORX delivers a reliable and efficient option for maintaining your lawn. DEWALT DCK0215M1 Cordless Trimmer Blower Combo Kit. Wrapping up our list is the DEWALT DCK0215M1 Cordless Trimmer Blower Combo Kit, offering robust cutting and clearing power to handle all your lawn care needs. The 13-inch string trimmer features a variable speed trigger, gear drive transmission, and a 0.080-inch line for efficient trimming. The blower provides up to 450 CFM and 125 mph of airspeed, powered by a brushless motor for extended runtime. This combo kit includes a 4.0 Ah battery and charger, providing all essentials for outdoor tasks. DEWALT's focus on performance and durability makes this combo kit a reliable choice for both homeowners and professionals seeking an efficient lawn care solution. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect cordless trimmer blower combo kit. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you in the next video.